Hey everyone, today I'm introducing a newly released tool, Zilliz CLI. If you use Zilliz Cloud, you've probably had to open the web console every time you want to manage something. Now with this CLI tool, everything from cluster management to data operations can be done right in your terminal. Today, I'll walk you through the core features, starting from installation. First, open your terminal and run pip install. That's all it takes. Once installed, check the version number to make sure everything's set up correctly. And there we go. It's installed. Now let's log in by running Zilliz login. I've already authenticated before, so I'll skip that step. But let me show you how. The recommended way is through API key authentication. A browser page will pop up, you click authorize, and you're done. Let's move on to the next steps. Let's check our cluster status. I currently have just one cluster. We can inspect its details. Now I'll set this as the default cluster, so all the following operations will run against it. Just enter this command. Next, let's see which cloud providers are supported. We support all three major providers, AWS, GCP, and Azure. Let's pick a provider and see what regions are available. GCP, for example, has about 4 or 5 regions to choose from. Now let's work with collections. First, list the collections under this cluster. There are currently 2. Let's create a simple collection with 768 dimensions. Done. List the collections again, and the new one shows up. We can also inspect its details. Next, let's insert some data into this collection. We can see that we've inserted a total of 10 entries. Now run a filtered search, find all entries in this table with a rating above 9. We can see that 2 movies have a rating above 9. We can also check what indexes exist on this collection. The index is named vector. Now let's check the details of this vector index. It uses 𝗭𝗶𝗹𝗶𝗇 for similarity calculation. Now here's a feature I really want to highlight. Everything we've done so far involved typing commands manually, and remembering all of them isn't exactly fun. But if you combine Zilliz CLI with Claude Code through the skills, you can do all of this, creating clusters, inserting data, using plain natural language. So now we can launch Claude. First, let's do a quick test. Ask it to check the current cluster status. As you can see on screen, it's already calling the relevant Zilliz skill. And just like that, the cluster info is right there. We can also create a collection using natural language, much simpler than the CLI approach. Data's been inserted too. Now let's test some query commands. And it's already returned all the movies with a rating above 8.5 from the movie collection we just created. So Zilliz CLI is a powerful tool on its own, and it also enables AI to operate Zilliz Cloud directly. Just tell Claude what you need in plain language and it handles the rest. If you found this useful, hit follow. See you next time.